1, 2, 3, 4. Should be better now, but I still don't like it. But I think the audio is good, right? Audio should, here we go. Had to read. I'm sorry for being late. Let me start there. And I'm late because very weird stuff is happening. My whole setup was gone for the second time in like 2 weeks. So my very big apologies for being 15 minutes late. We are here right for the market open, so it's gonna be interesting from the get-go, you know. But my apologies on this because my whole setup was gone and it's happening twice in the last 2 weeks now, which is a little bit weird, but I guess it is what it is. I hope us playing around with trying to put up music and stuff like this is not hurting us. I very much hope so. But I very much hope you guys are good. Hello, Tiger. Hello, Domas. Hello, everybody else. Hope you guys are having a good start to your Monday. All right. We're gonna dive into this slowly but surely. Because this is looking like a very boring week so far. Not an exciting week. A week that is kind of accumulating, but I'm very happy about it because this is exactly what we're expecting to happen, right? So while I talk, I'm gonna do my charts. And we're expecting this to happen. Why? We're expecting this to happen because we're looking for a CPI news event to hit the markets very, very soon, which is on this upcoming Wednesday, right? And with CPI hitting the markets on Wednesday, what is the general expectation for the week beforehand? The expectation is very, very simple. We're not looking for much to happen. We're not looking for a lot of movement beforehand, before the CPI hits the market itself, right? I think I'm right. So yeah, very, very simply put, there's no excitement on my end in terms of what we're gonna get going today, in terms of what we're gonna get offered today. We're still gonna go through this. We're still gonna take a look in terms of possibilities of engaging with the market itself, okay? So I'm just looking now for the new week opening up because I'm trying to do the charts right in front of you. I hope you don't mind, and I hope you can pick up a few things that I'm watching as well. So new week opening gap itself is on the chart. We're gonna see whether we can use it, and let's take a look quickly. Just a very small glance till 10 o'clock. What so far has happened on ES? Pushed lower, which is reasonable. Trend line being created, so I'm gonna put that note right away. I'm putting that trend line right in front of me that I'm expecting to get broken, right? And I'm noting this 15 minutes fair value gap that we'll see if it's gonna hold the price in or not. And who's watching the current ICT content? Current ICT content and this gap right here. Who's watching it? Fair value gap plus a volume imbalance. What do? We take both. We consider it one big crazy imbalance that we're gonna work with, okay? And for the opening itself, double top resting above. I need that on my chart, that's for sure. Double top resting above, yeah. And sell side is getting accumulated here as well. Relative equal lows right below it, okay? So we're noting that, and I'm gonna have no interest whatsoever in this up until the point we get out of this range, okay? So now, going towards NASDAQ. We're still expecting lower prices. We're still expecting consolidation up until the point that CPI comes into the market, right? Don't we? We do. And we have buy stops resting above. So I'm gonna put that into my notes. We have a fair value gap right below the market price itself right here. putting that to my notes also. And everything above right here, like I'm not too keen on it. And yeah, I'm gonna push it to my right in a way. But I'm doing it just out of a habit, because I have no expectation of the market getting up there. You know, I want us to go lower. I want that order block to be targeted, and I want us to go lower. Okay, so this one is gonna be current interval only, current interval only, hourly, push to the upside, very much expected. Order block right here. Like, I would love to see this push to the upside, lower, bomb. Like, this would be crazy. Put it to your notes. Let's see on Wednesday whether we get it. Thursday maybe. Will be very, very interesting to see whether it validates or not. Okay, and sell side resting down below, and previous day low. We need that too, right? And a lot of buy side liquidity is getting generated. So one more thing that I have to do for certain is have that hourly imbalance right here. Huh? We might get an opportunity to work with it, okay? I'm putting it out here for myself. Do we have it on ES? Not really. I don't see much more. 15 minutes. Again, this won't hold. We just have to find a right time when this breaks. Okay? We're gonna watch ES a little bit more closely than in Q. To be fair, I think ES looking more readable, right? Okay? But at the same time, outside resting down below. I'm just noting the opening range, okay? Sell side right down there. ES just took sell stops. Note that. We're gonna come back to it very, very quickly. Sell stops taken. And then the market opens up right here. New week opening up. We're gonna need that. As we're gonna evaluate today, how are we trading? Next to it, with it, around it, you know? 50 minutes. Good. Break lower, totally appreciated, totally reasonable. What else do we have? We'll see. We'll see if we can find something to work with. Next 8 minutes is gonna be interesting, to be fair. Next 8 minutes is gonna be very, very interesting, because during that time we're gonna be able to evaluate whether we continue higher from where we are at, or we're gonna open up a little bit lower for the session itself. So it's gonna be cool. Okay, we're gonna have announcement to make. Sounds interesting, huh? Sounds hilarious in a way at the same time. It's the truth. Because we're gonna soon start challenge for ourselves. We're gonna soon start creating an account on which I very much hope we're gonna do a little bit of work, where we're kind of gonna attempt to show you around the main strategies that we're using, to show you around the main execution models that we're doing, to show you around basically what I'm trying to teach you all, you know? So, hope it's gonna be fun. Hope you're gonna be able to enjoy it. And just give me a second to set a few things up. And we're gonna get talking about it, alright? Markets are going lower. This is beautiful. I like the trend line being broken also. So at 10 a.m. we're gonna look for a short. Makes our lives very, very simple, to be fair. So yeah. Makes our lives very, very simple in terms of what we're looking for and what are we looking to do in the market itself. Alright? Yeah, let's see. Where's my other mic? I need my other mic. Here we go. Well, we should be alright. So guys, sounds in a way hilarious when I say it, but I gotta say it out loud. We're finally doing it, and we're finally putting ourselves towards a 5K deposit to a live account and kind of in front of you guys. So I would trade it, and I would try to run it up as much as I can in terms of the goal being kind of very high. And we're gonna try to run up the account from 5K to 50K, which is gonna be an interesting journey. And very much hope that we're gonna be able to make it happen right in front of you guys. And literally saying it out loud, 10% of what I'm gonna be able to make throughout this period. We're gonna put it towards the shelter that I got my dog from, you know? So, nice thing to do. And I kind of say, why not? One of the colleagues actually suggested this idea. Trade to make something nice towards my dog, you know? So why not to run up a freaking account and then make it happen? But at the same time, I'm doing it for a different reason. I'm doing it so you would learn. I'm doing it since we started at university in the Discord itself, kind of helping you to understand how to read price, how to read price action overall once you're in front of the chart itself. I want to show you a way of using that knowledge kind of and helping you attain it as well. And few things before we go deeper into this. Don't try this at home. I wrote it in my notes. Don't try this at home is a very much required thing to be said. I never ever tried to copy a trade or idea that I will have, but literally focus on building good habits. Focus on building that conviction about price. And focus on what we're learning all together, because I want you to become professional pro I want you to become the best at being able to read the price itself. I want you to show up in front of the market when the high probability conditions are there. And I want you to find the best entry model once you do that. After you do those 3 steps, managing the risk very, very well, and then getting the hell out of here once you get done for the day itself, you know? So I'm going to do it with Tradeaway, sadly, because of 2 reasons. Because Ninja Trader didn't accept me because I'm a professional trader. And doing this challenge on a professional account is going to be way too expensive for me. But simply, why Tradeaway is because I will be able to copy my orders towards other accounts simultaneously while it's doing this. And I would never ever recommend another broker. I always say that, and I'm gonna stick true to myself. So this broker is not, I'm not doing it on this broker to recommend it to you guys. I'm simply choosing it to make my own life easier. Because I have many accounts to work with, and besides that one we're creating right now, for the challenge itself, we're gonna have a lot of other accounts to run next to it. Okay, so Tradeaway, we're gonna make a. Sorry about this. Tradeaway itself, we're gonna make a 5K deposit to the account that I'm literally naming. What's the name of it? Let me open it up. The name of the account is Something Good Is Going to Happen at the Shelter. Which is a fun thing to do. Dog shelter is going to be rich. That's what I said. So we're going to do that. We're going to have a very nice reason of me running the account up. And not only that, we're going to do it because I want you guys to learn. I will not only want you guys to learn on terms of what I say and what I talk about in Discord itself, in the university, but I really want you to see the real life example. And I really want to see you guys see those real time and real life examples of me doing it in front of the chart. So very much hope you're gonna be able to enjoy it. I very much hope we're gonna have fun doing it. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride. Now back to the markets, back to the charts. Back to the charts. And I'm not even logged in because possibly we're not gonna be able to trade today. We'll see. We're gonna see, but I'm not putting my hopes high for the upcoming trading session, to be fair. Yes, we're breaking the structure. But I very much dislike the fact of a Monday putting in a high of the week. That would be just silly. Have this hourly inversion here plus an order block. So this will sound very, very interesting. I have that trendline phantom noted, right? Don't I? But I'm gonna be watching higher prices still. This sounds very weird for majority of you guys, possibly. Trendline phantom right here, right there. Broken. 15 minutes fair value gap broken also. This is an old newy opening gap. We're getting into that. I don't know. I still like the price shooting higher from here. I'm not saying it will. I'm not. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. But the market opening up so much lower immediately in a way. Leaves buy stops resting above, like would be cool to get there. So we're gonna watch it. We're gonna see whether we're gonna find a opportunity of getting there, okay? 5 minutes, 1 minute. Because we have to realize, yeah? If we, so we have an SMT right here. Bam, SMT, SMT. 1 minute offering. You know why? I'm not participating in this, never ever. Like I have no interest in participating in such a move. But we've been given an opportunity to go short. Let's put it that way. Okay? But at the same time, it easily could be just a manipulation stage right here, right there in front of us, that could allow the market to push higher. A lot of keywords there. Could, would. We'll see. We'll see. That's an imbalance right here that we might be able to work with. Bum, 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 bum. Same right here on ES. Small one right down there. And a little bit larger up here. Okay. So let's see. I'm not breaking above it yet. But this in Q kind of offering a U2 2022 entry. Thomas, are you with us? Your model is looking to pan out very, very soon. Possible inversion with a U2 2022. Like that would be awesome. Yeah, it was exactly. Sadly and exactly. Yes. I'm not entering this because bearish structure is not broken yet. So this is where patience comes into play. A model is there. YouTube 2022. But there's a big but with this. I'm not entering right here with the model itself, even though it's present, because it's not the right time of the day yet. This was for some of you guys, this, let's say, somewhere around down here, where it offers you a perfect, let's say, 10 handles entry. Yes, sure thing. Sure thing. YouTube 2022. Let's go. You know? But at the same time, like, I'm gonna change a lot of things up in a way because I'm starting this channel. I'm not trading with the account yet because the deposit is not approved yet. I'm waiting for the deposit to get approved. And so I'm not doing it yet, but I have to switch things up a little bit, you know? So very simply, I'm gonna show you patience. I'm gonna show you a lot of waiting towards that beautiful model that we know for certain that is going to pan out. Not something that we wish or we think or we hope for. There's no hoping here. We're looking at the charts. We're looking at a very, very dangerous market. Take a look at higher time frame. Are we happy for the market to bounce higher from here? We could. Are we happy for the market to continue lower from here? Not yet. I would love to see this broken before we do. Okay, this is interesting because I'm not expecting lower. Me personally, you can easily go for a short here. Nothing is holding you back away from it. Nothing at all. I might be missing out on a short myself here. I'm not saying that if I don't enter that I'm gonna be wrong though. If I don't enter a short, it just means that I'm not putting on any risk. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna put out any risk just yet because I want certainty. So I want to be sure, very, very sure about what I'm gonna do, okay? Got this idea wrong already, right? But we never touched it. We never entered it. SMT now at the lows, possibly. That would be crazy good. I would love to see that. I would love to see that. I'm not saying that it's gonna have to be a given, But I would love that. I would very much like that. I would be able to work with it, let's say, okay? Let's see. One going lower, other kind of hitting the order block down here, and no SMT. Okay. We continue waiting. So we had that idea of going long here, that we kind of talked ourselves away from it, Well, now let's see. What else is there to work with? I don't know. I would hate for a Monday to be the high of the week. Like, I would hate that. So I'm saying it again. This call for the market to go lower right here, brilliant. Muy bien. Like, I love the fact that we called for it, right? Now, to look for the market to continue lower from here, I don't know. I'm not too certain. Like, I really don't know. For me, way too deep into a discount. Very, very simple, But this crashing lower, so far so good. Buy stops taken right here. Yeah. Break of structure down below this inversion. Watch this. Boom. Run lower. Offer. Run lower. Bam. Let's go. Same is happening on ES. Market structure gets broken. Boom. Lower. This is cool. I can understand this, let's say. I can read this. So now let's see. See what's next. And so far, very nice delivery. From away from this 5 minutes for Valga. I'm in FVG. I'm in FVG. Very, very nice delivery lower. SMT is in place as well. I'm not, so this is me talking myself away from this. So again, in a way, I'm not gonna trade SMTs directly for you guys because it's just gonna make your life way too difficult. I'm gonna trade it offline. I'm gonna trade it at night. For those who follow me on Discord, you see that these kinds of trades a lot. Turtle soaping in a way here. Bam! Just going short in a way at a random level. When you look at the market like this. But not a random level at all because you're looking at a 5 minutes inversion and you just wait for the right time of the day. Bam! SMT plus turtle soup because buy stops are taken. Let's go. Rock and roll. You know? I like this possible inversion though. I'm not against this whatsoever. Which is the lazy devil. What's the saying, you know? Which one is gonna hurt us less? Seems like ES. I was just able to rhyme this. Oh yeah. Us coming back into this makes me fall in love with this possible entry. Come. I would definitely enjoy it. And we're in. Come. I'm gonna show you the trade in a bit, but what we just did is... Why is this? Oh no. We just did that. So, we're in a trade. We're in a trade and we're watching a very, very simple thing panning out. We have a 1 hour inversion leading us into a order block. Again, 1 hour. Leading us into a 1 minute inversion where as soon as we invert, I enter. Initial target up here. Partial should be taken right here. It is a small trade, it's only 4 handles, but partials have to go off. Without partials, guys, you're not surviving. Okay, partial comes off there. And we're just gonna target that double top up here. If we can push up there, I'm happy. If we don't, I don't really care. Because this is a good entry. This entry I would take every single day of the week. I'm happy with it. Yeah. And Q, giving us an opportunity also. But a triple top, not even a double top, triple top up above us. And all you have to do now is just hold on to the trade. Take off partials to make yourself paid, to get paid, to make yourself happy. And everything else is history in a way. Yep. Kind of just allowing the market to do its work, and we're looking for buy stops resting above. If we fail, we fail. This is one trade that we're looking to take throughout the day. I'm not interested in anything else afterward. Come. So far so good, isn't it? 1 for 1 so far. So where's my account? Where's my account? Where's my account? Gonna show you around, why not? Where's the account? Here's the account. I don't mind. Oh yeah, I just dropped. Where is it? Too many monitors. Too many screens. Trading view, please. Here we go. Trading view. Opened. Here we go. We're in a trade. Are we? No, we're logged out. Run location warning. So where is my trading view then? What is happening? Oh, here we go. So let me do this. Let me open that up and let me pull up my screen. Oh, okay, I see now. Minimize. Maximize. Here we go. Now you should be able to see this. Can you? Yeah, you can. Brilliant. So we're in trade. 0.5% up. And I'm not going to take this off up until the liquidity gets taken away from the market. I'm not interested in that. And this is going to be the trade for the day. And this is how we're going to work with the account itself. That we're opening up for the shelter. It feels good to say it. For the shelter. The only reason why I would take this away, no, I don't have cats and I don't really like cats neither. Weird thing to say, but we're only gonna take this away if we have an SMT at the top. So if ES fails to get to this buy side resting above, this is when and why we take away that position away. Okay, so let me put it here, double top resting up here, target buys. Yeah, reasonable, isn't it? So if we fail to do it in sync, that's where I take this off. Okay, otherwise I'm Gucci, I'm fine with it. Okay. We'll take a screenshot so I can share it for Discord. Here we go. So far so good. Yeah. I'm just what? So I didn't take NQ. NQ is running for 100 handles. He has looked better for me. We are missing on a lot of profit because of that, but I don't mind. I'm fine with this. And who took this? Who took this? Who took this? So about this trade, right? Let me explain. As soon as you took this partial away from the market, you should be going break even. Because there's a massive opening right here in terms of fair value gap. See that? Should be able to see that. And you don't want it to get inverted. So what you're doing, you're taking off a partial right here. Because you're not trading full lot sizes. Because you never should. Your account is too small for that. You're not ready for that neither, right? And now I want to see this getting filled and that down below getting treated as a breakaway gap. But and not filled, running away from it, okay? I'd love to see that. And stop loss should be break even right now. You should be in a break even mode right now. Okay? And if we start breaking below this in a way that I don't appreciate or I don't like, I'm gonna take this off because I'm gonna be 0.5% up anyhow. So this definitely goes to break even. And we're gonna do this. Because I don't want to get caught in a SMT. Okay? Very, very simple stuff. So far, so good. Are we not? We are. Awesome trade. I took one contract on inversion, another on one. Really? 2 entries for you, man. Nice. Nice. Very nice. I think that's gonna be it. Like, I can't. Okay. I took this trade off. Now let me explain. I took this trade off because this is on the Paypex itself. What's the name for it? The funded accounts that we got from Apex and Top Step actually. I can't make more than this because if I make more, I put myself into trouble of not being able to withdraw because there's gonna be too much profit. Sounds so weird to say, too much profit. What is that? But it's the truth. So yeah, had to take this off because making a 900 or making 1.3k, very big, massive difference. And we're kind of getting hit with SMTs here. If yes, fails to tag buy stops and NQ does SMTs at the top, we're not interested in anything happening afterwards. Okay? SMTs at the top. Everything taken, everything tagged. Like, this is beautiful. The SMTs at the top. I'm happy that I took this off, actually. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with this. Like, dude, this is an insane trade. Like, if you took this, post it on Discord, Thomas. We need it on Discord. People gotta see. This is cool. This is cool. This is an awesome trade. Anon, beautiful Monday. It is a beautiful Monday. It is a beautiful Monday, especially because we took a beautiful trade, man. We're on the roll, aren't we? No, this is good. Very nice trade, very nice execution. I love the fact that we avoided this right here, right there. Let me take this away from you. Full screen here. I love that fact. I love that. This was great. I love the fact that we took it off down there also because of the SMTs right here, and now we don't have to struggle We don't have to stay in this consolidation. Drop a like. Yes, you should be dropping a like, man. I'm gonna go like it myself. Ha! Sounds funny. But I'm going in. I'm on the video. Here we go. Dropped one. 4. This is cool. Now, so far so good. I love the fact that we took this position. Very, very nice trade. And guys, I'm making this short because I'm on a holiday. And because we took a very nice trade, I'm literally gonna do this every single time we go live. We're not gonna overstay our welcome in a way. We took a position, we took a trade. I'm gonna enjoy my free time. I'm gonna enjoy a little bit of probably binge watching some series or just going for a walk. I don't know yet. But yeah, we just finished our live stream because we avoided a bad entry. We took a very nice entry. And we're good to go now. I very much hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna see you on Discord. I'm gonna type a few things here today. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.